Advisor for Urban Development and Municipal Affairs Zalerio Praji Kushi ke Dimapur Municipal Council laga chairperson khilaf no confidence motion jari thagya do leadership quality na thagya ni media se kushi. Olo bagya din de Dimapur Deputy Commissioner pra DMC floor test 22nd May de lobole announce kurigina se no confidence motion admit Korea pichide abi details sabo.
DMC in particular, actually, this is not our first exhortation or presentation. Maybe after election, maybe starting from 3 months onward, this kind of blame game or suspicion, mistrust was there. So throughout, I also, in my own personal capacity and on behalf of the department, I've been appealing to them. And it's very unfortunate that from our political party, the then NDPP, now NPF, has created all this problem. But now the matter is lying in the court of Deputy Commissioner Dimapur. So since a non-confident motion has been already moved, so we have to only wait for that outcome.
Doesn't this show a bad light on the municipal council that this is a big precedence that is going to happen if the chairperson loses on the floor, sir?
See, to sum up, after our election, even Newland has already changed their first chairperson, even KMC Kohima. So we try to prevent that the elected representatives, at least they should deliver the goods to the public. But unfortunately, this has happened. And we were trying to contain all this so that it doesn't create any bad precedents.
Yes.
That's why I always refer to Mokchung Municipal Council. They are doing very well. They are collecting revenue. They have been able to pay even employees' salary. Over and above, they are also doing some developmental works, providing basic services to the people. So I always keep telling Mokchung Town Council example should be emulated. And I don't want to blame anybody, but here and there I think this is the lack of leadership quality.
So it is NPF versus NPF, you can say that, in the DMC right now. So apart from the urban development side, what is the NPF leadership saying also to their councillors from the party, from the political side of view?
So, I heard that MPF, they also tried for the match control. But let us see how much this can come about.
Right.
Sir, I have one question more on side Pabi. Sir, that is Dimapur jurisdiction there. Dumping site na thagi na bishi duk pai se, and then monga sai shuglo do national highway khan de lubi every colonies kan dita kan philai se, and then one just recently be is Dimapur town council laga chairman lo de kota kushi, and then he has apprised us that ki government of Nagaland khan ge DMC khan ge like tade Sunrise colony de dumping site philawole dibole kuigina asukse, but still now the order do DMC can accept kuigina na, and then the public are facing a lot of difficulties there, our health risk be bishi issues ase, to dumping site kane is Dimapur khan laga upor what do you have to say, sir?
See, I am seized of this problem. So accordingly, from last year, we also have acquired a new area for DMC, including EDTC. And all this land acquisition were purchased by obtaining NOC from respective villages. But after we acquired land, now even, for example, East Dimapur Town Council, earlier NOC was obtained from Debagaon Village Council. But now they are telling that they will not allow dumping site to be there. So I say, then where will our dust or our waste be thrown? So they should also equally think of this, isn't it?
Yes.
So government to address this problem, we have already acquired land. And over and above, see, this NGT, National Tribunal, They had also ordered that we should arrange alternate site. So only all these sites were arranged. But some village level authorities, they are coming in their way. They were trying to solve, but it takes time.
Yes.
Even for land acquisition, it took more than 3 years. But I personally gave my interest, and somehow government was kind enough to provide fund, and we have acquired land. Again, the same problem.
What's the next step?
In addition to that, sir, the DMC and East Dimapur, under Dimapur, is just reeling under so many issues that there seems to be no solution since the ULB's election has taken place. So, is the government planning anything? Is there any plan of action?
No. Government is also observing the situation. And for DMC, like I said, already no confidence motion has been put. So we have to wait for that outcome. But on the quiet, even from party side, I think they may be doing some homework.
Okay. So today we saw the flagging off of all these sanitation trucks, but then again, coming back to DMC again, the trucks, the vehicles used for the garbage disposal, it is again in shambles, and we have garbage falling off the trucks also while it's being transported to the dumping zone. So, sir, even that, is there any plans to revamp?
No. This is very much in the pipeline. But I tell you, no matter how many vehicles, no matter how many employees we give them, no matter how much funds we provide, unless they come together, it's very difficult. So they should learn to come together and work, and they should keep public interest overboard. And they should work as a team. I can only vouch for that.
Gauri balpra kiniga dongor hoi jani bole mon ase gauri kane spunky kuigina dana introduce kriasi kuntu balpra saigina gauri ge nutrition digina dongor banable nimide ola laga ase itu do Mrs. Didi Poultry Khatkati Karbi Anglong Assam kuntu check ke do sorde ase tade pai jabo